Hey, hi, hello, welcome to Toys Unlocked. I can't believe we're on day 16 of the LEGO Harry Potter Advent Calendar already, and that we have twin trees today. Twin trees. Very cute. Okay, let's get them going and growing. Alright, it's time to make some trees. It's such a breeze. Actually, making these two tiny trees is a lot easier than building that big tree that we did the other day. These are significantly more simple, and they're tinier too. They're kind of like Yule Ball centerpieces or something. Maybe someone will take them home after the dance. Who's going to take them home? Not the kids. The kids will not keep these alive. Definitely not. Alright, we're going to put on some decorative pieces at the bottom to make them shimmer in translucent blue and clear like an icicle. Very beautiful. There's one tree. And let's make his twin tree. Hey, this is just like Holly and Jolly, the identical elves from the LEGO Friends Advent Calendar. I sense some duplication going on here. But in any case, I think we can all agree that these trees, although simple, look quite nice. They would make decorations for the Yule Ball, a good decoration for any winter vignette you might be building, whether it's Harry Potter related or not. So, this was day 16 of the LEGO Harry Potter Advent Calendar. I hope tomorrow we will not be making trees. Would love to see something more exciting. Like Rita Skeeter as a bug or something totally outrageous like that. Alright, friends, until we build again, I'll see you then. Bye.